Hello, this is Faith from faithspaceacademy.com, and I'm really excited to share with you one particular feature that I dived into as part of the latest Canva features. Okay, so they released a couple of new exciting features, and the one that really caught my eye that was the first one that I tried, is actually Canva email. So I just want to quickly share with you my thoughts and maybe some suggestions on how you can actually use it. All right. So here is the Canva homepage. So I'm just going to click on email. So what it does is that it's going to allow you to design your own newsletter within minutes. Okay. So it doesn't matter what email service provider that you are using, but something I will touch on later, okay? So for example, okay, maybe I'm just trying to host a birthday party or a Christmas party, and I want to send something to my friends, my families, just or some business counterparts. Okay, so let's search for Christmas here and see what it gets. No Christmas party. All right, since there is nothing that just that comes up, let's generate design. Okay, so it's a combination of, well, they have definitely leveled up the Canva AI, and once again, there are many new features, new exciting features. So let's see. Okay, design is ready. I'm just gonna click here. Okay, and the other thing is also that I'm supposedly able to add my brand. Okay, so let me see if I can actually add my brand colors to it. So here, background color, I already have my brand colors here. So let's just go with this one. And this is a little bit too much. Or since I wanted it Christmassy, okay, maybe I'm going to change this to red. Have a Christmas palette instead. Red, white. Just quickly changing some of the colors. And this is a little too dark. So I'm going to change it to a dark green. All right, and this one, I don't want this, so maybe I'm just going to delete that. Or just change it to the red so it blends in. Okay, what is this actually? I'm not sure. Okay, so anyway, I'm just going to change out some of the colors, some of the blocks. And changing it to line. Does it look good? I don't think so. Okay, let's go to just white, and this, I'm going to change it to green. And here, change the font text, the color to white, so it's more readable, what to expect. This, I like to change the color. Can I change that? No. So let's see. How do I change this color? I'm just going to delete it. RSVP today. All right, let's see. Highlight color. Okay. So let me see. Go back to elements and let's find beautiful gold and silver Christmas tree at a luxurious party. I don't know. I'm just gonna see if it gets me what I want. All right, let's test it. So that's also a new feature. The AI is within the elements itself. All right. So here, so that's actually a search, but you can also go straight to generate images. So I could just very well use this one. It looks nice. Or I could click on generate images and see what it gets me. So it's combined now. The AI, the part where you can generate your own images is with the element sections. Oh, I love this. I love this. I love this. Yeah, okay. Okay, maybe this I'm gonna change it to red as well. So I'm just playing around with the colors. Okay, so let's just say I'm done with this. Of course, there are still so many things I can do. I can edit the text. I should be able to add more blocks and whatsoever. I can move things around and stuff like that. Or if I really just want it to be simple, let me see if I can just move this thing up. So it's supposed to be like a drag and drop thing, right? When I click it, there's this purple line, so it tells me where I'm going to move it to. Okay, so let's move that some more. I want it right at the top because I think that looks nicest like this. All right. So if you are actually happy with this email newsletter, you can send a test email to yourself, okay? Or you can just start sharing. All right. So what I noticed is that there is integration with Gmail and MailChimp. Now, for the purpose of me sending email broadcasts for my business, I actually use Kit, previously known as ConvertKit. So I think the bummer here is that there's also the feature where I can embed this. Okay, but unfortunately, I tried it. It didn't work. Okay, I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to click on copy and I'm going to go to Kit. Okay, this is my broadcast email. And I would need, because it's an HTML code, I would need to add an HTML block here. And then I'm just going to click on edit and paste in the HTML code from Canva. But when I click on save, it says unsupported value. Okay, so I'm going back to Canva. This is a no-go, all right? And then you can go to the Smart Embed link. Here there is a documentation that tells you that what to do if the platforms are not yet supporting this embedding feature from Canva. So the alternative is to actually just copy this URL. So technically, I could also just embed this anywhere. So it just becomes a URL. I could paste it in my in just my browser, and it opens up as a newsletter template, as a newsletter design. Okay, or I could, instead of adding the HTML block in my email newsletter, I could also just change it as just a hyperlinked text or adding like a button. Okay, so in Kit, there's also a feature to add the button, and I can say, read this. Okay, and then a URL, paste it in here. And then if I were to preview my email, then there is a button that says read this. And when I click on it, same thing, it would open up to the URL of this email newsletter. So basically, it is now accessible to everyone to create this professional looking email newsletter kind of layout, whether you're using it for personal use or using it for a business, or, you know, if you don't quite like the templates or the email layouts within your email service provider, this is one way to do it, okay, to actually hyperlink it. But I guess the best news is probably for users who was that MailChimp, right? Because I think that is like fully integrated. I don't have a MailChimp account, so I'm unable to do it. But if you do, I think you can directly integrate whatever newsletter Canva design that you have done and send it via MailChimp. All right. So, like I said, some of the application that I thought of is if you already have an existing email service provider, but you don't quite like the newsletter layouts, or you want to do something festive for your own wedding invitation, for example, or birthday invitation. So any parties, Thanksgiving is coming up, you know, you can also easily create the newsletters with this new Canva email feature. All right. So let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching.